Hello friends, is your car struggling with rough idling, hesitation, or sudden stalling? If your check engine light is on, and you've scanned P0324, you might be dealing with a knock control system error. This issue can lead to poor engine performance, knocking sounds, and even potential engine damage. In this video, we'll explain what P0324 means, symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0324? P0324 stands for Knock Control System Error. This means your powertrain control module is detecting an issue with the knock sensor circuit, which is responsible for monitoring engine knock or pre-detonation. If this sensor fails or gives incorrect readings, the PCM can't adjust the ignition timing properly, leading to reduced engine efficiency and possible engine damage. Common symptoms of P0324: check engine. Light on, engine knocking or pinging sounds, poor acceleration and hesitation, rough idling and misfires, decreased fuel efficiency, and possible engine overheating. Ignoring this code can lead to severe internal engine damage. The knock sensor is a small but crucial component. Here's where you'll find it, usually located on the engine block, cylinder head, or intake manifold. The exact location depends on the vehicle make and model. Some engines have 2 knock sensors, one for each bank. You should also check the wiring harness leading to the knock sensor for any damage, corrosion, or loose connections. If the sensor and wiring are fine, the powertrain control module, or PCM, may need reprogramming or replacement. If your knock sensor is faulty or not connected properly, the PCM can't detect knocking sounds, leading to poor engine timing and performance issues. Common causes of P0324. First, a faulty knock sensor. The sensor may be completely dead or giving incorrect signals. Second, loose or corroded wiring or connectors. Damaged wires can interrupt the signal between the knock sensor and PCM. Third, excessive carbon buildup in the engine carbon deposits can cause the engine to knock even if the sensor is working fine. Fourth, low quality or wrong octane fuel. Using the wrong fuel grade can cause knock, leading to this code. And finally, timing issues or PCM malfunction. If the PCM can't adjust ignition timing properly, it may throw a P0324 code. How to fix P0324? Step 1. Use an obd2 scanner to check for additional codes related to misfires like P0300 to P0308. Step 2. Locate and inspect the knock sensor. If it's cracked, damaged, or disconnected, replace it. Step 3. Check the wiring harness and connectors for any loose or corroded connections. Step 4. Clean or replace the engine's carbon deposits if needed. Step 5. Use higher octane fuel if your engine requires it. Step 6. If the problem persists, a PCM reprogramming or replacement may be needed. And Step 7. Clear the codes and take a test drive to confirm the issue is resolved. Final words. Driving with P0324 can cause engine knocking, poor performance, and even long-term damage. Fixing it ensures smooth engine operation, better fuel economy, and extended engine life. Want to learn more about related issues? Watch these next videos. P0306, Cylinder 6, misfire detected, and P0307, Cylinder 7, misfire detected. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.